Good morning to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. And wherever you are, whatever your time zone, good afternoon, good evening to everyone listening to me. I am Olonolowo Anyide, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the many voices of TBC around the world. Happy Friday and a happy weekend to every one of us. Together, we will make the world a better place for all that dwell upon it. Hello, friends. This is your day. There is a quotation ascribed to Brian Tracy. It says, "Life is a coin. You can spend it any way you wish, but you can only spend it once." Do you know that you have just received the gift of a new day? It is fresh and new, specially designed to give you fulfillment and packaged with extraordinary possibilities just for you. This is the day that is made for you, my friend. You have been given full control of it. Therefore, what you do with it is all up to you. Are you ready for this day? There is no limit to what you can make of today. It is like a blank check drawn by the limitless creator. You can actually get as much as you want from it. You can be happy and fulfilled. You can enrich yourself and others around you. You can become a beacon of hope, peace, and productivity. Of course, this is your day and you call it your day. And you call the shot. The clock is running already, my friend. Each ticking sound is an opportunity to live a rich and fulfilling life. It is an opportunity to stay focused on your goals and achieve excellent results. The hour will soon be gone, so take care that you do not squander them. Yes, there's plenty of time to be successful today, but not enough to waste. This day is an investment in you with expectation of great dividends. Are you ready for business? This is your day. It is not a test or a trial run. It is no rehearsal or a mock event. It is for real and it is here. It is a magnificent opportunity that cannot wait. What you do with today forms a crucial part of history of your life. The gift is in your hands already. See it, live it, enjoy it. After all, it's your day. Make it great. Guys, this is another day. And the choice is in your hands. I call upon you. I beckon upon you. Come, join us in the Kringle community. Let us make this world a better place. Make a good decision today. Make today count. Make today count. Let us give humanity the best that the Creator has provided and has made available for all humanity. So, guys, for as many who are listening to me, make that wise choice today and make good use of today. Make good use of today. The opportunity is still open. Come on board. Contact me through my contact behind either the email or the phone numbers. Come on board. Join us in the Kringle community to make this world a better place for all to dwell upon. Contribute your own quota. Thank you. I look forward to receive from you till I see you. Don't forget again, I want you to give this broadcast a thumb up, and at the same time, I want you to click that bell by your right hand side and subscribe to always have a first-hand notification whenever subsequent videos, updates are being posted. Thank you. I love you all. God bless you. Shalom.